no, 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 no. Yeah. No, 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 no.
Hey y'all, good night. So tonight Courtney and I are going bowling. This is very exciting because this is my last night here for about 2 weeks. So we're gonna go bowling and we'll catch you when we get to the venue. Peace. Alright guys, so we're going to Jamzone right now. Right here at USA Village, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Oh yeah, say babe, say good night to the peeps.
Good night. I'm gonna whoop her ass.
So we're gonna go to Jamzone and then eventually go to KFC. Well, here's Jamzone. I've never been to a bowling alley in Jamaica. Oh, this is interesting. It doesn't even sound like a bowling alley. Thanks, babe. Why does it sound so empty? You've never bowled before? That's crazy. I have to go buy shoes. How do you feel? You feel like you're gonna win me on this bowling thing?
First.
Get it right. This left hand is gonna knock you out. So look at it. This left hand. Perfect. Bet? It's a bet? Yeah. Okay.
Don't paint me thankless. Just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance. Still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me, you tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions cause maybe
I rented out the whole bowling alley for you. This is what I do.
That's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. That I'll never know. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. I get impatient, this constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time with you. Don't paint me thankless. Just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move.
I'm not even getting it.
Still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me, you tell me the way that you're feeling.
Oh, damn. You good.
I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh, that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.
Oh, it starts over. We have more time. But guys, 57 and 58. How terrible is that? How do you feel? I almost beat you. Almost. Sad to report that babe won both games. He won the second one by just 1 single point. I am highly disappointed in myself. I thought I was a bowling champ, but I'm not. This guy is the real champ. Whoop.
Winning is winning.
Winning is winning.
Be by 1 point, half a point, quarter of a point. Winning is winning.
Yeah, he definitely won me. I'm so disappointed. Whoosh. Okay. Give me a kiss, babe.
I'm not kiss trying, man.
Look how you sweating. You won because I. Look how I make him switch just to win the little game.
You make me sweat.
That nigga sweat as hell. But yeah, guys, we're all done. We're about to go get something to eat right now. Okay. Peace. Guys, nothing like this Kentucky Fried Chicken here. Barbecue. This is called a big deal. Not to open mine yet. The one in name big deal. That's 2 barbecue, 1 spicy, some fries. Alright. See what I do for this boy? I gave him the breast and I took the leg. This fatty part, I don't like that fatty part. Anyway, y'all, we're about to grub some. Later. See you later, babe.